Tom's Trade Rules, rule number 10. If I have more than 2 losing trades in a day, then stop trading for the day and live to fight another day. It's a key rule for me to keep me active in the markets, but yet not overtrade and get into trouble. So here's why I choose to stop trading after a certain number of losing trades. Number one, risk management. Every trade carries a certain amount of risk. If I experience multiple losses in a row, it could indicate that the market conditions are just not favorable for that strategy, or that strategy is not working effectively in the current market environment. Either way, stopping after trading a few losses can help me preserve capital and prevent significant drawdowns. So it helps me with my risk management. It helps me prevent overtrading, and it helps me adhere to my rules of not revenge trading as well. So making sure that I'm not trading anymore that day. Once I've got 2 losing trades, I'm not putting any more trades on. Next, emotional control. Trading can be emotionally taxing, especially when your losses accumulate. Emotions like frustration and anger and fear, they can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Taking a break after a few losses can help you regain composure and prevent emotional trading, which often results in even more losses. Again, I want to make sure that I'm trading without emotion. And a great way to control my emotions is to not overtrade. If things aren't going right, it's okay to just stop trading and live to fight another day. Okay, so stop trading for the day and live to fight another day. Control your emotions. Next, market dynamics. Markets can exhibit a lot of different behaviors on a different day or during different times of the day. We've seen a ton of different volatility in the markets as of late. We'll see it drop early, then it gains in the day, then it may drop back down, or it reverses midday, or it only goes one direction and has a melt up or a melt down day. Markets exhibit those different behaviors in a day, and if I'm experiencing a series of losses, it could indicate that typically the market conditions are just not conducive to that strategy or my trading style for the day. Stopping trading for the day is going to help me prevent further losses in an unfavorable market condition. Can't fight the market, and understand that the market is always right. Okay. Next here, you want to prevent overtrading. So one of the reasons that if I've got more than 2 losing trades in a day, I will stop trading is I want to avoid overtrading. Overtrading is where you may take just too many risks in a short period, and that can lead to increased transaction costs and increased exposure to risk. Setting a limit on the number of trades helps prevent the urge to keep trading excessively. This is going to allow you, again, to preserve capital and control your emotions. You want to prevent overtrading and not try to get in and out and show the market that it's wrong. Again, as I just said, the market is always right. Take your 2 losses, stop for the day, shut it down, live to fight another day. So in summary here, I understand that everybody's got different risk tolerances, different strategies, and different psychological profiles. Some traders may choose to continue trading despite a few losses, while others may have a strict rule to stop trading after a certain number of losing trades. Ultimately, the decision to stop trading for the day should be based on your trading plan, your risk management strategy, and your emotional well-being. Just because it's part of my trading plan doesn't mean it has to be part of yours. Develop your own trading plan and your own set of rules, but stick to them. We do not modify rules in the middle of a trade, and we're not going to break those rules unless absolutely you have no other choice. I want you to trade your plan. Okay, your plan may not be my plan. Okay, you may have different risk tolerances and a different psychological makeup. Okay, so make sure you're trading a plan that makes sense for you. For me, though, again, rule number 10, if I have more than 2 losing trades in a day, stop trading for the day and live to fight another day. All right, everybody, take care and happy trading.